Hello, my name is Gaurav, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to integrate Azure Machine Learning Model into Power BI without having a premium capacity subscription. So let's get started. So before starting my demo, I will show you two things that are required. First is R language installed on your machine. Another one is Azure ML package, which is available in R library. So these are the two things that are required. And of course, you have to install the latest Power BI desktop version on your system. Okay, so now this is the code which we will be using to integrate Azure ML model into Power BI. Okay, so now I can start my demo. So let's see how to do it. So I'm switching my screen to show you the data set first. So this is the data set which I'm gonna using in this experiment. So this review data set contains product wise reviews. Okay, so now I'm switching my screen to Azure ML Studio so that I can show you the experiment. So this one is my Azure ML Studio, and I have already created two experiments. So this one is the one which we are using in this demo. So so this is the experiment, and in this video I'm not gonna show you how to create an experiment in Azure ML Studio. So let's see the data set which I am using here. Okay, so this is the data set. This is product ID, product, star rating, and this structure is same as the data that we have imported in our Power BI. Okay, so this is the thing. And now let's get back to Power BI query editor so that we can import the machine learning model. So for this one, I'm using R language, R script. So you can find the R script tab and under transform tab. So you can just click here, and I'm just pasting my whole code here. Okay, I will show you from where you will find everything. So this is the code I've pasted here, which contains workspace ID and the authorization key and my project name. So I'm clicking OK. So this will take few minutes. So let me show you the code. So this is the workspace ID, and this one is the authorization key, and third one is the project name. So let's get back to here, and I will show you from where you can get this. So this one is workspace ID. So you just have to copy it and paste it over in the code, and you can find the authorization key here. So you can just copy all the token and just paste it in the code, and the project name. So this one is the project, and the name of the project is key extract key phrases and show word cloud. Okay, so what I did here is one second. Okay, so now our script is ran successfully, as you can see here, and this is the key phrases extracted from our ML model. Okay, so now I will do close and apply. This will take few minutes, I guess. Okay, done. So now we have key phrases column here, which are extracted from this review column. Okay, so now I will create a word cloud and put the key phrases here. So in this way you can import or integrate your machine learning model that you have created on Azure ML Studio into Power BI. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you will find this video useful. Thanks. Thanks a lot.